Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Radeon RX 7900 GRE Gaming OC16G and then hit enter. After that this graphic card search on this website. Click on the product. After that you can see this is your graphic card. Just click on it. Then click on support. Then select the operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installation same. Driver download and install. This is your driver. This is your version. This is size and this is date. And then click on download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see it is start downloading and it will take some time and depend about your internet. Then click on three dot and then click on download. Then it is completed. Then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that this one, right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that this is installing. It will take some time and it is completed all driver. Then restart your system.